Hi everyone, we're so excited to see you here at the Fredericton Delta for the 2019 Yorkville University graduation ceremony. I'm Katelyn, I'm the Associate Registrar of Student Services, and I've met many of you over email and over phone, but I'm so excited to see you all face to face at the ceremony.
Hi, I'm Ayer and I'm the Alumni Relations Coordinator. I'm so excited to meet you. Because so many of you are arriving for grad, we're making a video with all the relevant information because we won't have time for a dress rehearsal.
Like Jen mentioned, we're going to have two ceremonies. So, to pick up your robes, we have two pickup times. First, the evening prior from 5 p.m. until 8 p.m. So you'll come in through the Delta and your robes will be available for pickup here. There'll be signage to tell you where to line up, and we're going to give you your robes. We'll also be manning this area the day of from 7 to 8:30, but we definitely recommend that you pick up your robes the night prior because the day of is going to be very busy. So when you pick up your robe, over here we're also going to give you a card with your name on it so that you can write down the phonetic spelling, and we'll give you your robe and a program and you leave the card with us.
It's graduation day, and there are two ceremonies. If you're participating in the first ceremony in the morning, you're going to want to have to be here by 8:30 with your robe on. You'll line up at the Governor Ballroom, and there will be signage and people here to help you. If you're participating in the afternoon ceremony, you're also going to want to have your robe on and be ready for 3 o'clock to line up at the Governor's Ballroom.
Once we're all lined up for each respective ceremony, someone will come around to repass the name card back to you, and you have to keep that with you until you're up on stage. So someone will direct everyone to file out here, and we'll go straight down this hallway to the last door on the right. All right, so once you're here, the very first one, will line down through here and walk straight up towards the front of the hall. The chairs for the graduates will be in the middle section at the front. So you'll walk up the right aisle, all the way to the front, and then you will follow to the first chair in the row and sit down from left to right, facing the stage. If you're the first person in a line in the Governor's Ballroom, you'll be the first person on the far left for your row in the ceremony hall.
Now, once the ceremony has started and the opening remarks have been given, you're going to line up to the left of the stage 11 at a time. But please stay comfortably seated as you will be directed when it's your turn.
After the closing remarks, you will file out of the hall following the faculty. If it's a nice day out, we're going to guide you straight outside for a big group photo. And if it's rainy, we'll just go straight back to the Governor's Ballroom to take photos in front of a backdrop. There's going to be an hour-and-a-half long reception after each ceremony. We would ask that you not linger too far after the 2 o'clock point if you're attending the morning ceremony and at the first reception, because we have a short transition period before the afternoon ceremony. But don't worry, there'll be lots of time to take photos and mingle both during the receptions and later at the alumni party, which we'll get to in a bit. Grads should drop off their robes where they got them at any point during the reception. There'll be a form there as well to initial to mark that you have returned your robes. And if it's not marked off, we might contact you if robes are missing and charges might apply, so don't forget.
And for those of you that have RSVP'd for our after-grad alumni party, it starts at 8 p.m. and it'll be held here at the Delta in the Grand Ballroom.
And once again, we're so excited to have you here. Don't worry if you have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out. There's also going to be a floor plan in the program if you want a visual aid the day of. And we can't wait for June. We can't wait for June 21st. See you then. Bye.
Bye.